I went to the world's largest all-Ford show in Carlisle, PA for their 50th anniversary. They had thousands of cars including Crown Vics, Grand Marquis, and town cars. I was hoping to find more Crown Vic wagons, but I ended up being the only one there, so let's go ahead and check mine out. It's an 89 Ford Crown Victoria LTD station wagon on an airlift 3-piece suspension. I just repainted it a few weeks ago flat black with a little patina to it. The wheels are off of a Mach 1 Mustang, which I also own. But that's enough of my car. Let's see what else was cooking up in Carlisle. The Mercury Marauder is a rare car, but here it seems to be pretty common when they all come out together. Now here's the coolest Panther that I saw at the show. It's a Batmobile Lincoln Futura replica car based off of the George Barris design from the 1966 TV show. It's placed upon a 95 Lincoln Town Car. You can see the drivetrain in there as well still retains that V8. It's honestly done very well. The kit here seems to be quite old due to how many scratches and roughed up it is, but definitely the most unique Panther at the show, which led to it taking first place in the Lincoln Town Car category.
It also says North on the side, which I'm pretty sure isn't standard for the local police department.
Blow up his foot.
There you go, gotta keep it moving. We had some contact with our players last year. Clear the room in our contact. We're gonna clear the person that's behind the barrels. We don't want to get through the barrels. It's so close, what is watching? 30 seconds in. Seriously, this is a quiet burnout others?
Yeah! Good smoke.
There is a cop sneak up behind me. They have all these powerful cars that are stuck. Just so you know, they run around and get pulled over. 1 minute in. I look at those fuckers that turn the razors on or listen to the radio on the car. About 30 seconds left. This is the guy I thought I was in the city because we had the 100 down. About 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I was really close to that. Woo! All right, everything that's going Burnout. Official teams.
Like, cut your mufflers off!
That's the first. Compromised, so we're going to go in direction. Turn around and come back. Don't you test him before you start driving?
Where's he going?
You don't want to see that one either.
Yeah, what's that? Out down there? Come back.
You did. Put it in R.
Because I couldn't tell if Costa was to the grass. There's one thing they're like, do not touch the grass. They're like, don't go in the grass.
You drove through it.
Yeah, I know, but that was, obviously we didn't get the memo if we were on this car.
How do you get the charge wire?
So you can either steal it off of the donator, the donated Taurus, which is what we did with his,
Okay.
or you can, what I eventually did with mine, I went on late model restoration and got the harness for that. It comes with a 4-gauge wire, runs over there to there should be a fuse terminal over there.
Right here, I think, right?
Yeah, that guy. Yep.
Okay.
And I just made the one for mine out of
like mine.
Yeah, you could also just make it too.
Wire from the Taurus.
Yep. So either way works. Hook it right up to the solenoid. You can see the regulator plug's the same.
Yeah.
And you get rid of that fire hazard. That is that.
Yeah, mine's not either, dude.
Some
What do you got on your
applications
car?
put the plug, the regulator here. You can
Yeah, you can reclock it and put it whichever which way you want.
Alternator.
Yeah, it's a Taurus alternator.
You get the SN95 Mustang one.
Yeah. But you can get the alternators. You can get the alternators directly from LMR. If you want.
Thank you all for cooking it up at the Ford Nationals at Carlisle. Great show. Was hoping for a few more of my wagons, at least one other one. I parked with the station wagons. I had to choose between LTDs, Country Squires, Crown Vics, or wagons. I went with wagons. Next year, definitely gonna park with the Crown Vic bros. Awesome hanging out with all the cool guys that pretty much I've just seen online on Instagram and whatnot. Great to be able to put faces to the name. Next year, definitely with the Crown Vic guys. Want to see some more Crown Vic content? Click right here.